Hi, welcome to Bonita's Kitchen and thank you for joining us. What I'm going to show you here today is this air fryer oven by CalmDo, and we'll talk a little bit about it, show you a few of the recipes that we're going to try. Okay, first off I'm going to show you quickly this creative cooking recipe book that comes with this unit with lots of beautiful recipes in there that we're going to try a few. So of course this is our trusty little instruction book, and it comes with it's a 12-liter digital air fryer oven with 18 different kinds of cooking features. And this is the beautiful inside. It comes with different features, of course. This one is a rotisserie rack that you would put inside. You can put to make fries and they will be nice and crispy. You also got the accessories to make a rotisserie chicken by just putting it in there itself. We got 4 different racks. It's got a top rack to cover the eating source that you slide on in. The on button, when you're ready to cook, you just press the button and then the features will show up. Make sure the door is closed, turn this on, and it'll give you different sections where you would cook within 400 degrees Fahrenheit and the different types of food. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to select the fries from this book right now. I got them already cut up and soaking for about 30 minutes, they say in this book. And of course that's pretty standard when it comes to soaking potatoes, because you get the starch off. I'm going to put them into our air oven and show you what that looks like. So while our fries are doing, I'm just getting a few scones ready to go in, and this recipe is in that recipe book. The French fries is done. Surface is a little warm, so be careful. You're going to wear your oven mitts. Put your lifter in, pull out. And just to keep it out of your hands, put it into the holder and let it sit. Okay, so open up your cage, toss in your delicious fries, and then top with some sea salt. Voila! Open your door, put it in the center rack like this. Close your door. So press the bake. We're putting scones in. Press start. It'll be 30 minutes on 320. Okay, so the scones are done. So use your oven mitt, which is not provided with the unit, and then take your scones off and put it into the plate. So that's the fries and the scones. We're just going to top it with a bit of confectionery sugar. Just look how delicious that is. That's 2 thumbs up by Bonita's Kitchen. This is a convenient oven. It's an air fryer oven, and it's provided here by CalmDo. And just look how delicious this is. 2 already made meals that you can have and then join us. We're going to make. So let's just try a pizza. So this is a homemade pizza from Bonita's Kitchen, and then I'm just going to put it into the middle rack. Make sure you got your dripping rack on the bottom. Close the door. It's start, and then we're going to go over to pizza, and we're going to say start. So our pizza is done. I'm going to pull it out. Look how delicious this is. And that's as easy as that. 15 minutes and you got pizza on the table. So what I'm going to show you next now is a rotisserie chicken. So what I did first is put a few of my favorite seasonings and gave it a nice rub. I got some cooking thread, and what I mean by that, just to tie the legs and the wings down. I'm going to show you that. As you can see, the legs is tied, so is the wings. Then I got the rotisserie clips put in through the steel guard. And now we're just going to take it up and put it into our air oven. So after you put this rod through the chicken, make sure you wipe the ends, because you're going to be putting it into the rotisserie loop on the inside. So you're going to slowly move it in. So you're going to roll it in, put it into the loop and click it on the nozzle. There's a little notch on the inside, making sure your drip pan is in the bottom and your cage is on top where the heat source is. Now we're going to turn it on. Turn it on. This is your select. So we're going to select all the ways to the chicken. You see is pizza, defrost, cake, vegetables, bake, reheat, and nuts. Of course, lamb. Now I got to go right back around. Sorry about that. Just to get the chicken. To see the chicken blinking, we need to have the rotisserie nozzle blinking, and then on. And then you will see the chicken going around. Okay, so our chicken is done or stopped after 40 minutes. So you clean your little olding tong here before you attempt to take this out. Have your oven mitts on. So now this is a rotisserie chicken. If you got a bigger chicken, you could leave it in again. You could turn on the same outlet, put on chicken, put it on for another 40 minutes or even 30 minutes. But this is it. I like this machine, CalmDo. It's got a nice air frying oven. So if you're interested in this unit, I'll share the link below. So enjoy. Thank you for taking the time to check out our review.